Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the volume of a video in DaVinci Resolve. So, whenever you load a video into your timeline with associated audio, you're going to be able to see it directly below the video. This is the audio waveform. And one quick way of adjusting the volume is just hovering over it until you see your cursor change to these two arrows, holding left click, and then dragging your mouse up and down. As you can see, the waveform changes. And let's say I want to make it a bit softer. I'm going to drag my mouse down a little bit, just like so. So if I play the video over, as you can hear, the volume isn't quite as loud. Another way of adjusting the audio is by making sure that the video clip is selected and then in the inspector panel, going to the audio tab and adjusting the volume there. As you can see here, any changes I made here are also reflected in the waveform. So those are two of the simplest ways to adjust the audio of a video clip in DaVinci Resolve. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.